Here's a quick video of this M-Reg Ford Granada. Spurs or repair. It is what it is. I would suggest spurs. I sold the last owner a Ford Granada Scorpio Cosworth and took this in part exchange. I drove this back 210 miles from Berwick upon Tweed at motorway speed, no problem whatsoever. Engine, gearbox, no overheating, so all the running train is fine. It is what it is, on sale at 99p. I'm away on holiday, so there's no good ringing me up or texting me, what will you have for it, buy it now price. It will strictly run to the auction end. End of story. Whatever it makes, it makes. I'll run through the electrics, see what's working. Have we got... Oh yes. All the seats are working. Recliner. Rear electric windows, no problem. Not bad condition actually. Have we got a spare wheel? We have. Have we got a chassis and floor pan? We have. We've got some paperwork. We've got the logbook, some old MOTs. It's MOT till January 2019. You can look online, some various advisories, 6 keepers. So 94 vintage, 2 litre petrol. So various bits and bobs of paperwork. Is this window working? Yeah. Power steering, even the cruise control works, as I had it on the cruise control on the way back. So you've got all 4 windows working, got your central locking working, heated seats, that's your rear electric windows. It is what it is. Air conditioning needs a charge, or faulty, I'm not sure. Trip computer, still a bit of fuel left in. Not a lot more to say. Does the sunroof work? No, that's tight. You can feel, oh, it's going up on that, but it's not going back and forth. So it goes up and down. It's watertight, there's no leaks. We'll have a quick look under the bonnet. The battery is not the right size for the vehicle, and it doesn't hold its charging for left, but it does, as I say, I drove it back. I stopped and started it a few times driving it back, and it started no problem. But just a thing to note, you might want to, if you're driving it back, folks, you might wish to bring a spare battery and a set of jumper leads. You can see it's only a small battery, so someone's put a temporary battery on. It will hold a charge, but not for long. And that's all I've got to say. Good luck on your bidding.